Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss a bar chart that show the average food and beverage sales per day in winter and summer. In this chart, the blue color indicates winter and the orange color is for summer. First, there's a hot coffee. In winter, the sales are really hot, up to 75%. This, um, but in summer, it drops to just 30%. That's a hot difference about 45%. This makes sense because people prefer warm beers in cold weather. But strangely, there are articles that say that drinking hot coffee in winter makes you pee more often because caffeine is a diuretic. If we pee frequently, our body heat will also be lost. So it actually makes the body colder. Hmm, a bit contrary to our habit, isn't it? Moving on to cold coffee. This is the opposite of hot coffee. In winter, it only sells 3%. Yes. But in summer, it goes up dramatically 40%. The difference is 37%, which is quite significant. It's no wonder cold coffee is needed severe when the weather is hot. But still, there are people who like cold coffee in winter, and people have different tastes. Now, let's look at ice cream. In winter, ice cream still sells at 25%. And in summer, it goes up a bit to 35%. Yes. The difference is only 7%. This shows that ice cream is indeed a million people's favorite, no matter what the season. Whether it's cold or hot, everyone ice cream you'll still be looking for it. Next, there's soap. In winter, the sales are 50%. Oh no no no. Let's see. While in summer, it drops to 25%. Is 25? This is only natural as warm soap are usually soaked after when it's cold. It can help you feel better and also give your body the fluid it needs. Next is salad. Last but not least, there are some. This is interesting because cells are stable in both seasons at 25%. This means that salad can be enjoyed anytime. It's not really affected by the weather, but the type of salad consumed can be different depending on the season. In summer, people prefer cold and fresh fruit salad. In winter, people usually prefer salad with ginger, or even salad that are grilled first to keep them cool. If we compare all the products in the chart, hot coffee has the highest difference, 75% versus 30%. Then cold coffee also has a big difference, 3% versus 40%. So has a medium difference, 50% versus 25%. Ice cream is slightly different, 25% versus 35%. And salad, the most stable, 25% versus 25%. What does this mean? Products that are really hot or really cold tend to have a big sales gap between seasons. But products that can be combined, like salad or ice cream, are more flexible, so they are less affected by seasonality. So, in conclusion, from this graph, we can see that weather and season have a big influence on our eating and drinks habit. However, there are also food and drinks that remain popular throughout the year like salad and ice cream. Interestingly, according to some studies, hot drink can actually help the body adjust to temperature faster in summer. The reverse is also true. Drinking cold drinks in winter may give you a momentary refreshing effect, but it makes your body work extra hard to stay warm. So actually, the drink according to the weather. Need is not absolute. So from this one simple graph, we can learn a lot of things, not just sales figure, but also habits, lifestyle, and even myths around food and drink. One thing's for sure, whether it's coffee, ice cream, soup, or salad, all have their place in the hearts of shoppers. No matter what time of day it is, and you're also free to choose which one according to your own taste and condition. Thank you so much for listening to this explanation until the end. Hopefully, the graph can be more easily understood, and maybe it can also be a fun discussion with you. See you on the next presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.